Okay, this is what the toilet bowl in the main bathroom, the master bedroom bathroom, has looked since 2014 and before. I've been thinking about it for years while I was fixing a bunch of other stuff, and I finally had the courage to do something about it. This ring around the toilet bowl is just water mineral deposits. Once I even scraped it off to the point that it removed the enamel paint on the toilet bowl, and believe it or not, the ring came back. So I've tried oil paint before on my mailbox post, which did a lot better than latex paint. But this time I needed something a little stronger, so I bought some marine paint at the local home improvement store. So let's see what that did. My first try. Okay, hold on, let me reduce this. And here we are. Okay, so this is the first try. First I painted, well, of course I emptied the water first. You close the faucet underneath the toilet in the back of it, and then you dry it, maybe put the fan on it for a while. And of course I had to empty, with a little cup, empty the water out 1 cup by 1 cup at a time. And when it was dry, then I put the white marine oil paint in the bowl, and after that dried for a few hours, then I used some permanent marker in there and drew some designs. But I wasn't satisfied with it yet. Let's go to the next picture. So this time I decided to just have it white inside the bowl, so I painted the marine oil paint glossy white right over the markers that I had used. So it came out to be like a streak of color underneath the white paint. Maybe you could see it there, the blue showing through the white paint. And here's a better close-up of how it has covered those mineral deposits which were encircling the bowl. And I haven't seen any of it come back, so I think this is a great paint to use if you have a difficult area. Like several times I put latex acrylic paint on my mailbox and the post that the mailbox is on, and it just didn't stay for very long. And ever since I put the marine paint on it, which is designed for watery areas and lots of rain, it was fine. So try it. You don't have to buy a new toilet, which could probably cost you labor and materials about $300. And there's so many things you could do if you just keep trying different things. You don't have to just go out and buy something new. So let's look how it looked like before, for years. Pretty horrible, huh?